And this is going to blow you a little bit, blow your minds a little bit. Ready? Okay? He says, كُلُّ صَلَاةٍ, that every single prayer, لَا يَحْضُرُهَا قَلْبُكَ, that your heart is like completely gone from it, totally absent from it. He says, فَهِيَ إِلَى الْعُقُوبَةِ أَسْرَعُ مِنْهَا إِلَى الثَّوَابِ. Oh my God. He said that when you just get up there and start doing like Pilates on your janamas, right? And you're just like not even thinking, you're just constantly engaged with something else. And the prayer is just kind of like up, down, up, down. He says this prayer actually might be something that is more of a punishment earning thing than a reward. You guys know what I mean? Take all the ingredients of your favorite dish. You're sitting in front of somebody, you're like, that's a double cheeseburger, and it's in a cup. And it looks an ungodly brown with some yellow and random tomato chunks. You're like, drink it, it's Wagyu. They're like, no, thank you. Why? It's not the same. It's not presented properly. It's not done properly. So if my salah is just like the quickest thing that a human has ever seen, Usain Bolt, then it's not salah. It's not the same thing. Because how can I be punished for praying? Well, it's the same way that giving someone their favorite meal in a bottle is no reward. Right? It's an autonomous act. It's just happening. Salah should never become like that. So check the quality of the prayer. We should know before we start what our state of wudu is. We should know as we're praying what rak'ah we're in. And we should know in the prayer what I'm praying for. This is one of the scholars, they said this. Step up to your prayer and say, what am I praying for? What is it right now that I need? What is it in my heart that feels empty that I need to be fulfilled?